X. Find the area enclosed in square units by the graphs of y equal to mod x minus 2 plus mod x plus 3 and y equal to 9. For this, I need to draw the graph for this expression. This is y equal to mod x minus 2 plus x plus 3. So critical point for this graph, critical points are 2 and minus 3. Critical points are when this modulus is 0 or this modulus, this expression, when changes sign, which is x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 3, these are the critical points. So I'm taking this is 1, this is 2, and this is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So this is minus 3 critical point, and one critical point is 2. For all x greater than or equal to 2, this expression, this y will become, because x is here, x is greater than or equal to 2. So this y, or this modulus will open as it is or with a positive sign, and this modulus will open as with a positive sign. So this y becomes how much? X minus 2 plus x plus 3 or 2x plus 1. So I need to draw the diagram of this expression. For this is the equation of a straight line in positive slope and rate of change of y is twice that of x. So I know for x equal to 2 or at x equal to 2, y is, for x equal to 2, y is 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So at x equal to 2, the value of y is 5. So this is value of y. Inside here, this is 5. So if x is equal to 2, this expression is having value of 5. For all x greater than 2, this is a straight line which is 2x plus 1. So increasing slope, cutting y-axis at 1 or y-intercept at 1, and the rate of change of y is twice that of x. So it will be like this. From x minus 3 to 2, this mod will open with a negative sign. So in this range, y will become minus x plus 2, and this mod will open as positive because the values of x get greater than minus 3. So it will open as it is x plus 3. In this range from minus 3 to 2, for all x minus 3 to 2, y will become how much? 5. So y will take a constant value of 5. So from y is equal to, or from x minus 3 to x equal to 2, y is having a constant value of 5. So from 2 to minus 3, y will, or the graph of y will be a straight line parallel to x-axis because the value of y in this range is a constant 5. For x less than, this is x minus 3 to 2, and this is x less than minus 3, y will become how much? Both mods will open as negative. So minus x plus 2 plus x minus 3. It will be minus 2x minus 1. It's a graph, it's a straight line having negative slope. It's a straight line having negative slope and y-intercept is minus 1. So this will be the straight line. This straight line will be look like this. Now I need to find the area enclosed by this graph. This is the graph for this expression y equal to x minus 2 plus x plus 3, and to find the area enclosed by this graph and y is equal to 9. I know y is equal to 5 is this line, so y equal to 9 will be this straight line. This straight line will be y equal to 9. So I need to find the area enclosed by this curve, or this is the trapezium. So I need to find the area of this trapezium. So for area, I know what the area of trapezium, half of sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Or distance between them is this is y equal to 5 and this is y equal to 9. So this distance is 4 units, and the length of this side is 5, and length of this side is, need to find the length of this side. I know y equal to 9 for x equal to, for what value of x, y takes the value 9. So I know in this range, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, taking y as 9, I can get the value of x. 2x plus 1 is 9. So from here, x comes out to be this 4. So for x equal to 4, y takes the value 9. Similarly, I can find this x for which x whose y is cutting, or y equal to 9 is cutting this graph again. So in this range, y is minus 2x minus 1, and for value of y is 9, this expression becomes minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. So from here, x is equal to, this is 10 or minus 5. So for and y equal to 9 in this range, x comes out to be minus 5. So x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5, this y is 9. So from x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 4, the distance is of 9 units. So I know the side is, the length of this side is 9 units. So I can easily find the area. Area is half into sum of parallel sides, that is 40, into distance between parallel sides, that is 4. So it can cancel 2 times. The area comes out to be 28 units. So correct answer to this question is option B, 28.